guys, it is Katie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying to get TikTok famous in 24 hours. Let's see if I can do it. Basically, I'm going to try and become the next like Addison or Charlie. That is not going to happen, but I mean, we can only hope. So I have 24 hours to basically spam the shit out of TikTok and just hope that we can get a little bit of views on some videos and increase our followers. When I was like planning on filming this video and like planning it out, I was like thinking like what I could do to like, you know, actually get TikTok famous. And I kind of realized that like I can't dance, I can't sing, and I'm not like funny to like come up with like creative like skits, you know. So I kind of have like no talents, to be honest. I might as well just like dabble in all of them, and I'm just gonna like hit every single category that I can think of that is on TikTok. We're gonna do some makeup, you know, those ones that are like, ooh, boppity boppity boom. Not that I'm gonna film that one, but that one. We're gonna film cooking TikToks because I feel like those get some views, you know, like the really unhealthy like cookie dough like shit that throw all these like desserts together, so like they get like 1 million views, so like might as well do that. Obviously do some like renegading and like dancing. We'll see how that goes. I'm gonna get my mum to film some TikToks with me because like jump on that trend. I don't know, I'm just gonna kind of like spam the app. So I'm gonna pull up my TikTok screen right now. I'm a little embarrassed, but it's fine because we're gonna gain some clout in a sec. By the end of this video, like everyone in the Hype House is just gonna be like calling me up like, Katie, like fly to LA, like come to the Bahamas with us. We need you for our next TikTok. And I'm gonna be like, I'm sorry, like I have school and like I can't leave Melbourne. That's exactly what's gonna happen. Currently, my TikTok is at 913 followers, and I have 5,165 likes on TikTok. So the most amount of views I've ever gotten is 15.9k. Wow. I know, round of applause for me. Oh my god, sit down guys, don't need to give me a standing ovation. This is literally the TikTok.
Yeah, hi. Just found out about sex? You guys are really doing that? That's so gross. I hope no one ever wants to do that.
Kind of awkward, like that was the one that got so many views. But anyway, obviously my makeup is already done, so I have actually filmed 2 TikToks already. I don't know where to look because I'm like looking at myself in the reflection. This is really awkward. While I do my makeup, I'm going to film 2 TikToks. I'm going to film this one here that Shani Grimmond did. And I'm gonna film like one like this that Addison filmed. So I'm basically just like copying everyone for this part because, oh well. I'm like really excited to put on my makeup right now because I just literally like had a cry. But I'm fine now and I'm really excited just to like fix that.
Young people fall in love with the wrong people sometimes.
Is that good? I like roll my eyes in it and I hate how I do that. Ugh. I feel like we just go with it. I'm sorry everyone that sees that. Okay, let's put that in our draft. So I just obviously did my eyebrows. Do I need to zoom you in a bit? I don't even know how to do this, to be honest. Fuck. Nope. Hi. Oh. Okay, I need to now film the start of this video. So I'm gonna like pretend to like dab this on my face because I need to like trim it, but I don't know where. I just flipped the switch. Oh, I feel like that's shit. Oh shit. And it looks dumb because I'm like not actually patting anything into my face. I need to pat something into my face. Being a TikToker is actually hard. I just flipped the switch. Do you reckon I got that? I can't tell if I got that. Okay, we're gonna say I got that, but there's a part where like my eyes roll up again. I think I roll my eyes in every TikTok video. And I look possessed though. Like I don't even look annoying in this video. I look possessed. So many things at once. I'm actually like queen of multitasking right now. I don't know how to work TikTok. Some mistakes get made, that's alright. I've already fucked this one up. And this was the one I was like looking forward to the most. Some mistakes get made, that's alright. Oh, I wonder if I got that right. Did you hear me singing? We're gonna say that that was done, but I'm so fucking mad because I literally rolled my eyes again, like 4 times in that video as well. Like, can I not roll my eyes? I look like I'm getting possessed by like Exorcist or something, literally. Okay, I've already stuffed it up so many times because she does like all those transitions and I keep forgetting to do the transitions. So I'm gonna try again. You're really just in pain. Really hard. I don't know how Addison did it, but Addison is also like Addison, so I kind of understand, because who looks cute doing this face? You know what I mean? So like I understand how she can do this because she can do that, you know? Some mistakes get made, that's alright. Okay, I rolled my eyes again, but I actually think I liked the end part.
Said young people fall in love with the wrong people sometimes. Some mistakes get made, that's alright, that's okay. You can think that you're in love when you're really just in pain. Some mistakes get made, that's alright.
Gonna finish getting ready and then I'm gonna film the end part of the I just flipped the switch. I think I ended it too early before, which is kind of annoying, but I know nobody. Okay, how did I go? I think I rolled my eyes again, but that is gonna be good enough because I've kind of realized I'm not Charli D'Amelio. I'm doing as good as I can, and that's all that matters. Obviously they're in my drafts. What will I hashtag it? Do kickflip. Do a kickflip. I didn't even hashtag For You page it. Of course I need to do that. Run. Post. It is up. Okay, I'm nervous. They're both up. I am now going to go and do the cooking video that I want to film because I have not eaten all day. Actually, that's why I had a protein bar when I got back from the gym. But that was like 2 hours ago, and like me not eating in 2 hours, like whole new record for me, honestly. No, you gotta stand up. Okay, let's try that again. This is annoying. Maybe we should start with the eggs first. Because in like the video they like throw it in and it looks cool. Oh, I just cracked the egg. Okay, scratch that. I'm gonna go find the bigger like blender attachment and try and do this again. I had been filming this whole time, filming the start of this TikTok, and my camera just decided to delete everything. Anyway, honestly, just know that it was really funny and you would have laughed. And I was literally gonna get changed before I filmed this because I'm literally wearing trackies and like a jumper. But then I was like, I can't really be bothered. Like TikTok's not that important. So if I don't get famous in the next 24 hours, let's blame it on like the fact that I wore trackies and not because I have no talent. Yay, I feel like this one could get famous. Oh my god. Watch it literally get like 2 views, but like at least I get to eat this. So anyway.
L'espoir est un plat bien trop vite consommé. À sauter les repas, je suis habituée. Un voleur solitaire et tout.
Okay, so it is now time to start filming the dancing part. I feel like this is the main part that's gonna get me TikTok famous because my dancing skills are so good. I'm really like coordinated, as you can see. That's actually the biggest lie. I'm actually so bad at dancing and it takes me like 2 hours to learn one dance, and I'm not even bullshitting. Like I'm gonna start off with a TikTok that I have already learned, still shit at it, and then I can progress into the ones I don't know. Oh, what was that? Did you just see me try and hit the wire? I like forgot what I was doing. I actually can't hit the wire normally, but like that was bad. Okay, I think that's the one. I still am so shit at dancing.
Yeah. Bump, bump, bump. Yeah. Bump. Bump, 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 bump. Ooh. like pussy.
Charli D'Amelio just did it, so it's like fresh and recent because all the other dances that I know are like really old because that's how long it's taken me to learn them. So I'm going to try and learn this one. So I'm literally just going to watch her do this about 5,000 times. Oh! I don't know if I'm gonna get this one. I'm not really like talented. What's this one? Okay, I've decided the one I just showed you before is really hard and it's like probably too more like extreme for my abilities, and I'm gonna leave that one to Charli. So I'm gonna try and do like the pitter patter one because even that is like really hard for me, but I'm gonna try and learn that. So I just found one of Charli doing it, but she like is confusing. I'm gonna watch Addison do it because I feel like she does it easier. Okay, so she goes like this, like the smile. Why isn't this loading? She's what? Okay, I'm gonna try really hard to learn this and I'll come back to you in about like 5,000 years. I feel like I got that, but honestly, I tried so hard. In the video, I like full get into it. I'm like, and for dessert, I'll suck your... I forgot like I was copying Addison. I was really like mirroring her facial expressions. And I can just picture everyone at my school being like, oh, she is so up herself. Like she really thinks she can dance. And I'm literally in my room like, I've been trying to learn this dance for like 3 hours, but really I can't dance. I'm not even just saying that. I'm the shittest dancer. It takes me so long to learn shit. And it's funny because like this is the reality, but then everyone's only gonna see this part and be like, oh my god, such a try hard. Okay, so I'm currently filming one of the TikToks with my mum and I couldn't bring my camera out, so I'm bringing my phone. But we're in the car right now because we're going to do a lip syncing one. Mum is not keen for this. I literally just made her drive out of the garage because it was bad lighting in the garage. Alright, let's do this. So Mum has written her lines that she has to say for the TikTok on a piece of paper. Now we're just practicing attitude, not like...
Really?
Yeah, and you don't have to always look at the camera, you can look away.
Okay.
Okay, because you're staring at her. Okay, let's try this again. That was a success. We got it. Now we can drive back into the garage and go for dance number 2.
Thanks, where have you been, honey? What it look like, bitch, getting this money. Buying more clothes, I look nice, right? You be in that fake shit, and I seen yours twice. Your shoes, you weave in your purse. If you're bad, believe that I'm worse. You be online doing mad research, trying to cop some shit, you see me in first.
Okay, so we are back inside and we're now going to learn the dance. So Mum actually already learnt this one, so you should know it. This one. Remember it?
Yes, sort of.
Do you know it?
Not really. What about the wow? What's the wow?
Okay, the word. Throw it out. And then just... Oh, I can't do it. Throw it up. And then zigzag. Yeah, do that. X Factor.
I'll be better. I should go in the front.
You need...
Oh, it's a better one. I'm better.
So like kind of like a robot, one up and then one down.
Down.
Okay.
Alright, come on, we're going to get it this time.
And then we're done.
Myself, gotta take the time to cut them off. I need her. I know how to make the girl go crazy when you treat her like your number one baby.
Like you're like lawn mowing. Up in that Jeep, pull that bitch and drive.
Up in the Jeep, pull the bitch and drive.
And then 9 to 5.
9 to 5.
And then it's hit the word.
Hit the whoa. I need to practice.
Little bitch and drive. Fuck my 9 to 5. Disappear for weeks.
Ah.
I don't about that beat.
Up in that Jeep,
Alright, ready? Let's watch it.
Put that bitch and drive. Do, 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 do. That 9 to 5.
Alright, ready, Mum?
Okay.
Mum, you did this! We finally got all of Mum's dances. Woo! We're gonna be TikTok famous.
I just wanna bop that beat. Hop up in the Jeep. Put a little bitch and drive. Fuck my 9 to 5. Disappear for weeks.
Alright guys, that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna link my TikTok down below along with all of my other like social media platforms so you can follow me and you can see the videos that I just made. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. We are so close to 2,000 subscribers. I think I've said that in my last like 5 videos, but we actually are really close. So if you want to make me really happy, please subscribe. I have till like 1 o'clock tomorrow to like get more famous, but I'm just gonna let like the views roll in because like maybe half of the world is asleep right now, so that's totally why all my videos aren't getting millions of views, because like they're asleep. So anyway, we'll give you guys one last update tomorrow to tell you guys how every video went, but other than that, bye guys. So it is the next day, it's been 24 hours and I'm here to give you an update on my TikTok successes. So looking at my account, I uploaded so many videos. I'm currently now on 954 followers. I think I started on 911. So I definitely didn't get famous. It's totally fine, I'm not bitter about it. The video that did the most well, that's good at English, is the pancake videos. That got 1,667. I then got another one that got like 1,071, which was like the makeup one. And then this one did good. I realized it's actually really hard to be Charlie and Addison. Like, so it's not easy to become TikTok famous. So as a result, I'm gonna keep trying. It just wasn't my day. Anyway, bye guys.